Look what I got.
Wow! Dissect it!
Get ready for an all-new experience with Dissect-It, the synthetic, safe dissection kit. Learn all about animal anatomy. It's like a laboratory in your living room. Look, it's jiggly and wiggly, just like a real frog. Dissect-It gel is smooth and easy to carve. Completely safe, odorless, and non-toxic. This toy teaches and makes learning fun. Dissect-It comes with a detailed instruction manual and no sharp tools are needed. Reveal a complete skeleton and a full set of organs. Lots of creatures to choose from. At home or in the classroom. Teachers love it too. Perfect your skills or develop your own technique. All finished? Let's do it again. 2 refills included. Just mix, fill, and chill. Cut it, carve it, collect it. That's Dissect-It. Available now at a variety of retailers and at topsecrettoys.us.